Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, where we bring you the most exciting automotive stories, reviews, and insights. If you love powerful machines and legendary rides, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's video. The Pontiac GTO is a name that resonates with true muscle car enthusiasts. A symbol of raw power, aggressive styling, and American automotive heritage, the GTO first roared onto the streets in the 1960s and became an instant classic. Over the years, it has maintained its legendary status, and now, the 2026 Pontiac GTO Vintage Edition is here to rekindle the fire. Bringing back the GTO in a vintage-inspired edition is a dream come true for car lovers. The 2026 model takes inspiration from the original designs that made the GTO an icon. The long hood, short deck, and wide stance make it instantly recognizable, while modern engineering ensures it performs just as impressively as it looks. The designers have skillfully blended retro aesthetics with modern aerodynamics, giving the car a perfect balance of nostalgia and innovation. Under the hood, the 2026 GTO does not disappoint. Equipped with a high-performance V8 engine, this beast delivers the kind of power that muscle car fans crave. With an estimated 700 horsepower, it roars to life with an unmistakable growl. The 6-speed manual transmission pays homage to the classic driving experience, while an optional automatic transmission provides modern convenience. The car's rear-wheel drive setup ensures that thrilling, tire-smoking performance remains intact. The interior of the GTO Vintage Edition is a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern comfort. Leather bucket seats with classic stitching, a retro-inspired dashboard, and analog-style gauges take you back in time. However, advanced technology is seamlessly integrated, featuring a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and premium sound system to make every drive enjoyable. The combination of vintage aesthetics and modern luxury creates a cabin that feels both classic and cutting-edge. Performance is at the heart of the GTO experience, and the 2026 model stays true to its legacy. The enhanced suspension system ensures a smooth yet responsive ride, making it a joy to drive on highways and winding roads alike. High-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, while advanced stability control keeps the car planted even at high speeds. This limited edition vintage GTO is more than just a car, it's a tribute to the golden era of American muscle cars. The exclusivity of this model makes it even more desirable, as only a select number of units will be produced. Owning one means becoming part of a legacy that stretches back to the heyday of muscle cars. The 2026 Pontiac GTO Vintage Edition is a perfect blend of history and modern performance. It captures the soul of the original while delivering the technology and power expected from a modern muscle car. Whether you're a die-hard GTO fan or a new enthusiast, this car is a masterpiece that demands attention. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.